Hey yo, it's Skippy from Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. What I'm doing at the moment is everyone having a wonderful day? I am. I've been here for about an hour and a half, and I've just finished around the top there, and now I'm doing this window. I said the other day that I was going to trim it in aluminium because a tub is going here, so people always put things up here. Anyway, we've got a nice shiny aluminium here. I've got to take off the plastic wrapping, but that's later after I've grouted. I keep the plastic on there just to in case I scratch it with grout or anything like that. But my grout is a smooth grout I use, not a sanded grout, so it's not gritty, so it's all cool. So we're going to pop these little suckers in here, just like that. I want to give it a little bit of slope, not too much, but just a little. A little bit of slope. That's my front edge, which will be clinging on to the aluminium there. I now build the back up just a little bit to make sure I've got my slope, and we're home and hose. Laughing. Pop that in there. I also like to use a little bit of tape, which I'll go and find some in a minute. Squash out the excess. Oh, I like it. That's a little bit too much slope, I reckon. Yeah. I've showed you before on another video, I always leave a little bit of a quirk, and then I silicone along there. And if you do have a little bit of a chip or anything along there, or slightly up and down, you know, it only needs to be 1/2 mil, it all gets covered with silicone. And it all helps to waterproof it nicely as well. So we've got a nice little slope on that sucker. I'll pop another one in. Sometimes these handles are a little bit close, but we're all right. Sometimes that latch is in the center of the window, which is cool. This is all right. That's square, and there's heaps of room, so that's cool. Cool. Don't forget to subscribe. I come out twice a day now. I have a short in the morning and a video at night. If you subscribe to my channel, well, then you won't miss any tips and tricks. I'm here. My aim is to teach as many people as I can. I've learned a lot over the years, some good, some bad sort of thing, but I'd like to pass it all on to everyone out there. Now, should I put in a clip? I could just part that a tad. Where are my clips? In here. Grab a few. Pop them up there. Bring it together. Look at that. Just like that, folks. Now that is going to look very, very nice. I'll put those cuts in there, and I'll come back to you shortly when I'm doing this. I'll be doing that with silicone. That one here I've waterproof, so it's not too bad. But if it doesn't quite stick to the waterproof, it'll always stick to that aluminium, and then I silicone here, so there's plenty to hold it. Okay, I'll catch up with you soon. See ya. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Bye.